We have a birthday in the house today, and just to make it extra special, because obviously it's not normal situation, we are in a lockdown, so I'm going to make a special cake for the birthday boy, a delicious lemon and vanilla cake. Starting with 350 grams of unsalted softened butter. Next goes in 350 grams of caster sugar. And next 350 grams of self-raising flour. Next 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Some vanilla extract. And 2 tablespoons of whole milk. 2 lemons for the flavor. And last thing to go in is 6 eggs. And then whisk this for 2 to 2.5 minutes. Going to make a quick lemon curd at home to sandwich the cakes. You can find the recipe on the channel. Just making the butter icing. So I've whisked 350 grams of unsalted butter, and to this I'm going to add 700 grams of icing sugar, and then just whisk it until it's smooth and creamy, so 4 to 5 minutes. And just adding a couple of tablespoons of milk to this, and then I'm going to whisk it so I'll get a nice smooth cream. Okay, was in a rush and I just turned this on way too soon. Look at the bells. Oh dear God. Right, okay, try it again. Just adding some golden yellow color to this. Empty this again. This is all so that I don't have to keep changing the piping bag. I can just empty that and then darken the color of the icing. So more yellow goes in. This is so good and the layers are just perfect. It is sweet because of the buttercream, but the lemon curd balances it really nicely. I do hope that you're going to give this a go at your next family birthday and hope you will enjoy this. Come back tomorrow for another new recipe. Subscribe, share, like, comment, and I'll see you back again very soon. Bye.